Welcome to my channel. ZMISDRI Wi-Fi extender not working? Easy fix. First, check power connection. Ensure the extender is properly plugged into a working power socket and the power LED is on. Second, inspect LED indicators. Observe the LED lights. Blinking or red lights may indicate connection problems. Third, reboot the extender. Unplug the device for 30 seconds, then plug it back in to refresh its connection. Fourth, reset the extender. Press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds until LEDs blink. This will restore factory settings. Fifth, reconnect to main Wi-Fi. Use the WPS button on your router and extender or manually connect using the Setup app or web portal. Sixth, place the extender midway. Position the extender between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Too far or too close can affect signal strength. Seventh, update firmware. Log into the extender's web interface and check for firmware updates under System or Maintenance. Eighth, use correct Wi-Fi password. Ensure you're entering the right password for your main Wi-Fi during setup. Incorrect input will fail the connection. Ninth, avoid interference. Keep the extender away from thick walls, microwaves, or cordless phones that may disrupt signals. 10th, try another setup method. If the app method fails, try setting up via WPS or using a web browser through 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.10.1. Thank you for watching.